Hey, what is up all you juice helpers? My name is Dylan Taylor. This is my workshop, and today we're going to be doing a simple video. We need some PL glue, and we're also going to want some masking tape. This happened earlier today. So this happened. The door handle broke. Instead of trying to find another one, I'm just going to glue it down. So we got this on. I'm gonna put a little bit of this blue 3M tape on here. So I've taped all of this down, and this little bit right here is starting to come out. So I'm gonna just stick a little bit of glue up right there to hold that on. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, maybe learned something new, maybe used it as some inspiration to go and fix something that you have that's broken with something as simple as some PL glue or even something you have around home. I can't just leave you with, you guys gotta trust me. You probably want to see that it actually worked out, you know, with the tape off of it. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. Patreon supporters get the videos 2 days early. So if you want to see these videos early, check it out in the link down in the description. Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters who support me right now. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.